United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 188. Submission of disputes to a special chamber of the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea, or an ad hoc chamber of the Seabed Disputes Chamber, or to binding commercial arbitration. 1. Disputes between states parties referred to in Article 187, subparagraph A, may be submitted. A. At the request of the parties to the dispute, to a special chamber of the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea to be formed in accordance with Annex VI, Articles 15 and 17, or B. At the request of any party to the dispute, to an ad hoc chamber of the Seabed Disputes Chamber to be formed in accordance with Annex VI, Article 36. 2a. Disputes concerning the interpretation or application of a contract referred to in Article 187, subparagraph c(i), shall be submitted, at the request of any party to the dispute, to binding commercial arbitration, unless the parties otherwise agree. A commercial arbitral tribunal to which the dispute is submitted shall have no jurisdiction to decide any question of interpretation of this convention, when the dispute also involves a question of the interpretation of Part 11 and the annexes relating thereto, with respect to activities in the area. That question shall be referred to the Seabed Disputes Chamber for a ruling. B. If, at the commencement of or in the course of such arbitration, the arbitral tribunal determines, either at the request of any party to the dispute or propria motu, that its decision depends upon a ruling of the Seabed Disputes Chamber, the arbitral tribunal shall refer such question to the Seabed Disputes Chamber for such ruling. The arbitral tribunal shall then proceed to render its award in conformity with the ruling of the Seabed Disputes Chamber. C. In the absence of a provision in the contract on the arbitration procedure to be applied in the dispute, the arbitration shall be conducted in accordance with the UNCITRAL arbitration rules, or such other arbitration rules as may be prescribed in the rules, regulations, and procedures of the authority, unless the parties to the dispute otherwise agree.